Welcome back to another video tutorial for Titan Crypto Club. So as you remember, the last video we ended with making a deposit and I showed you the, let's have a look, the pending operations where you could see, well, the pending deposit that I made from my Bitcoin wallet to Titan Crypto Club. Meanwhile, the deposit got credited to my account, and as you can see here, we now can actually see some numbers. So the total deposits show the amount that I deposited to my account, and then up here you can see that the total balance is actually less than my total deposit. As I was going to show you how to purchase your first pool number one for $14, it's actually not even necessary to do so, because when you make a deposit, and the best way to view it is by clicking on the details for your total deposits, it will take you right here to the balances section, and then we want to see the USD deposit balance. Okay, I go to this one right here, then I click on balance history, and now we can see what happened. So I made the deposit. That's $50 minus 2.5% transaction fee that you can see right here that got deducted from the amount. And up here, the system automatically purchases the first pool. So I don't even have to do that manually. The moment you make a deposit, it will automatically buy your first pool. So if we go to the pools list, you can see it's now started. It's the letters are pretty dark, but it says started right here. So I could now go ahead and purchase pool number 2 for $28 to earn the total commission of $98. But I'm not going to do that now, because in this video I want to demonstrate you how to transfer funds to referral accounts. Okay, so people may sign up under your sponsor link, and maybe as a cool sponsor you would like to transfer funds to their accounts, or maybe if it's friends or family that you bring into the system and they also want to join Titan Crypto Club and start earning commissions together with you, you may want to transfer funds directly to them. So let's go back here to the balances section, and then I click on transfer funds. I'm right here within my deposit balance. I don't have any available balance or repurchase balance yet, because I haven't yet earned commissions with this account. So what I'm going to do, I will go to transfer, and I also opened the other 2 accounts that I signed up under this referral link from this demonstration account, this demo account I'm using for the video tutorials. So one of them is right here, everything is still 0. And the other one is right here, and everything is still 0 as well. So let's go back to the top level sponsor account and transfer to another user. I'm going to enter the name right here. And the transfer goes to their deposit balance. What's the amount that I want to transfer? I make it 15, okay, to be 100% sure that $14 will arrive in their account due to transaction fees that could be deducted from the amount. Since there's no double checking implemented yet for the username, you have to double check for yourself that you've write it 100% correct. So maybe there's a username and it has like username 1 and then the same name with the number 2 behind it. Those are 2 different accounts, right? So you have to make sure that you really enter the correct username. So double or even triple check that you entered the correct username into that field, enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then click on start transfer. So it asks for username again, but down here we could see the message that the transfer was successful. Now let's have a look in the balance history again, and right here we can see the information, the recipient, that's the account name that I sent the funds to, and $15 got sent to that account. So my balance before was $33 and now it's $18, right? So let's go to that account. It should be this one. And let's refresh the dashboard and see what happens. Okay, so the total deposits is still 0, but up here the total balance is 1. So I sent $14 to this account, and what happened immediately? Let's click on details. We have to select the balance. Let's go to the deposit balance, balance history, and as you can see, that's the sponsor account. You received $15, that's the transfer funds I just made, and immediately the system automatically purchases your first pool for $14. Okay, so we had $15 before, minus 14, that's $1 we've got left within our deposit balance. So I'm going to do that again for the second account. So let's go to transfer again. Enter the username of the second account that I signed up under this referral link. This time I'm going to send the exact amount, $14. So this is for you to show you how this is working, okay? Click on Start Transfer, notification, transfer success. So all these variable names and so on, the system is still not 100% complete in the sense that sometimes, you know, the dashboard, it shows a variable name instead of the correct description and so on, but don't let yourself get confused by that. Everything is working correctly. That's the most important thing. So you can sign up people, you can make deposits, you can purchase pools, everything is working. Only the front end, we have to keep making some corrections, okay? But that shouldn't disturb us from starting to use Titan Crypto Club already. So let's go to that second account. Let's hit refresh again, and let's see what happened with this one. So everything is still 0 because this time I sent exactly 14. But let's click on details again, choose the deposit balance. Let's have a look at the balance history. And right here you can see the sponsor account sent $14, and at the same time the system took those $14 and purchased the first pool. So that's pretty cool. Let's go to the pools list, and it started. We can also have a look at the metrics. If you remember the dashboard tour video, everything got blurred, but now up here it's activated. The activate pool button is also gone, so everything's working. Same for the other account. Let's go to the metrics. Same here. The button is gone. Account got activated, but those are blurred. So now let's have a look at the sponsor account, okay? Go to the metrics, because right now we sent those funds to the referral accounts, and in here we can see the button is gone and the first 2 referral accounts got activated as well. So now those 2 would have to sponsor their 2 people, this one, and then again down here to fill the metrics for you to earn the full commissions for pool 1. But you could also go ahead and start activating pool 2 if you wanted, which is not yet the case because we haven't yet activated or completely gone through pool 1. But for now, this video was to show you how the pools get purchased. As you can see, it happens automatically, and also now you know how to use the transfer funds option to send funds within Titan Crypto Club from one account to another.